Launching Z. How many of you guys work for bosses who are in the Western world, the developed markets and all? Some of you guys have. Have you seen how nice and polite they are to us? Yeah? What they think is different. What they tell you is so sweet. Okay? They'll tell you something like, you would have done a sum formula in Excel. And they'll be like, beautiful work. Perfect. Fantastic. Thank you. This is exactly what I was looking for. And then one day, my boss tells me, yesterday night at 6 p.m., no? I'm like, yesterday night, 6 p.m. Our snacks time. 6 p.m. is tonight, night and all. What? Which world are you guys living in, man? Contrast that with my other set of Indian bosses. They are quite amazing as well. So you do somersault and you do a VBA while you are swimming and then show the laptop to them. They'll be like, okay. I told my boss, you can do something better for me, right? So please, I think you need to do something for me. I have done a lot of extra things. Being an accountant, I have tried to improve the sales of the company. I will tell you. I sold my soul. He's like, Arun, let me tell you a little story. When you're driving on the highway, no? And I was remembering Spanky and all. When you're going on the highway, no? You see the dhaba? Yeah. There's a security guard waiting outside who waves the green flag for you. And torch and all asking you to come in. His job is only to be watchman, no? He is trying to boost sales, no? You think he gets extra salary? Oh, exactly. Okay, that reaction only even I got, yeah. That is... This is okay. Then he told me one more thing. Arun, can I tell you a little secret? I am like, boss is telling me confidential information. He is like, you know what? When we pay you salaries, no, we account it under corporate social responsibility. I am very sympathetic to this company called IKEA, which launched stores in India, in Hyderabad. Kid you not, the biggest selling section of their store was the food court. Apparently, world over, that's what IKEA does. Primarily, furniture is just a byproduct. So, Hyderabadis, they thought, so, okay, Paradise ka ek counter rahega, Bawarchi ka ek counter rahega, hum jaake aate hain. And apart from that, I really researched. Till November 2019, their highest selling product was a set of 4 plastic spoons, colorful ones for 15 rupees. Then I did correlation and causation. They buy the spoon, go to the biryani counter. Eat as family and come back. So, and imagine DIY. Do it yourself in India. Really? If I say I do it yourself when it comes to food, you cook? No. You cut the vegetables? No. You take it to the table? No. I eat my food. No? That is my do it yourself. If you take the plate and put it in the sink, that is DIY max. And these guys think they can sell in India. Oh, pity them. Because in India, I kuch nahi kiya. Guests coming in, foreign dignitaries coming in, you go for dinner along with them. That is when some of us see 5-star hotels also. Right? Suddenly we become a rich country. And if you notice, no, we have this innate compulsion to laugh at everything they say. Whether you understand, appreciate, agree, does not matter. They are saying something, we should laugh. Even in the course of conversation, if you said, I developed a small stomach issue yesterday morning, you'll be like, kya joke mara, dude. And I don't understand, when they serve that alcohol, no, these guys touch that wine bottle. What do they really check? Have they ever rejected and told the waiter, go back, I need a different bottle? Ever? That is directly proportional to the number of times we get a vaccine slot in May when we go to Arogya Setu. 0. I don't know why people do that wine thing, because for me, when I go for any outing like this, my poison or my concoction of poison is this thing called Long Island iced tea. How many of you are fans of Long Island? Yeah? Me too, because for me, that is the rava onion masala ghee dosa of the alcohol universe. You pay anywhere between 250 and 300 rupees. It's like a mini thali that you get. You don't know what hit you, but you're done.